Filing for bankruptcy is a big decision that should not be entered into impulsively. WSFL TV's trusted advisor, Chad Van Horn of Van Horn Law Group, joined ISF to share why acting quickly may help save you from ruining your credit. Bankruptcy, of course, as you know, as a bankruptcy attorney, there are some myths to it. People think that once you file for bankruptcy, you are in financial ruin, and that's a big misconception.
Absolutely. So one of the biggest things that I see why people are not calling me is they think bankruptcy is the worst thing in the world. They're the only ones that are doing it. They can never rebuild. And all of those are myths. Some of the smartest people I know have been, and that I've met in my life, have been my clients. And unfortunately, they're going through hardship, whether it's medical issues, whether it's the economy collapsing again. I think that happens every couple of years, it seems like now. Or whether it's some other hardship, divorce, or something going on in their life. Bankruptcy actually gives them the ability to reset, start over, and build a new future without all the stress that they have on their back.
What should people who are on the fence about filing do, Chad?
Well, the first thing, you need to talk to an attorney, because a lot of people don't realize that when you go through bankruptcy, you don't lose everything. There's exemptions that you can take, that you can keep your property. Florida is known for its homestead exemption. So if you have equity in your home, they're not going to take your home. They're not going to take your clothes. There's ways that you can protect your vehicle. And another big thing is you can rebuild your credit quickly. A lot of my clients get back into the 700 credit score about 12 to 18 months. You can buy a house, you can qualify for a mortgage. So all the gloom and doom that you hear out there, it's not the end of the world. I promise you, thousands of people have worked with me to get through, become debt-free, and rebuild their credit.
So you can rebuild your credit. That 700 score, I'm aiming for the 800, but I know I'm shooting for the stars. You don't lose all of your belongings. You're not going to be homeless on the street. Very quickly before we go, the different types of bankruptcies consumers can file, what are they?
Yep, so the majority of consumers either file Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is your straight liquidation. That's the one where you're debt-free in about 3 months. Most of those clients don't lose any assets. Over 90% of our cases are what are called no asset cases, meaning they get to keep all of their assets. Chapter 13 is a reorganization. That's if you're over the median income, if you make too much money to file for Chapter 7, or if you fall behind on secured payments like vehicles or your mortgage. It allows you to get caught up over a 36 to 60 month plan.
Good to know, Chad. If someone's watching right now and they're contemplating bankruptcy and they've been inspired to make the choice knowing that they can come back and have a greater financial future, how can I get in contact with you and Van Horn Law Group?
I'm easy to get in contact with. You go to vanhornlawgroup.com, call us at 954-637-0000. We're here on the weekends, we're here early in the morning, and we're also here at night. So call anytime.
A man of the people, Chad Van Horn, thank you so much.
Thanks again.